Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz, and in today's video we are doing 5-minute Dollar Tree DIYs. I did one of these a couple of months ago and you guys really loved it. You thought these quick DIYs were great, so I thought we'd do another one. These are just great. You can do them. They don't take a lot of time, and they're also great projects for beginners. So lately, Dollar Tree has had out these really adorable marble hexagon signs. They're cute, and a lot of people have been asking me, like, what should we do with these? So I grabbed 3 of the marble hexagon signs. I also picked up 3 gold frames that were in the size 8 by 10. And then I also picked up 3 pieces of this black and white striped paper from Hobby Lobby. So the first thing I did was I went in with the gold frames and I removed all the contents from the frames, took out the glass, the backing, everything. Next, I'm going to use that little sheet that comes inside the frame, the 8 by 10 sheet, and I'm going to put it on the back side of my scrapbook paper, and I'm going to trace out a line around my paper, making sure that my stripes are horizontal. And then from there, I'll just cut the paper out. So I'll do that for all 3 pieces of my scrapbook paper. Then after that, I'm gonna put the paper back into the frames with no glass, and then I'll also add the backing and close those up. From there, to add my hexagons to the frames, they actually fit in perfectly in these frames. You do have to kind of squeeze them in just a little bit, but the frames will move over and they'll fit in. I don't know if they'll fit into all the frames at Dollar Tree, but I know this frame they worked great in. So next I'm just going to put some hot glue on the back of this hexagon, and I'm going to glue it down right to that scrapbook paper, kind of moving over the frame to make sure it fits in place. And I repeated that step with all 3 of my frames. And here's a look at how this wall art piece turned out. Now with those, you could always glue them together and hang them on the wall, but I kind of like the option of being able to put them in different areas. When I saw these white floral frames at Dollar Tree, I just thought they were so adorable, so trendy, and I thought they'd be perfect in my daughter's room. To make it a little bit more substantial, what I did was I picked up 3 of these frames. And my idea was I thought these would be great for her room so that she could hang pictures on it. So what I did was I lined them up 3 in a row, and then I went in with a combination of E6000 and hot glue, and I put it on one edge of the frame, and then I just smushed it together with the other edge of the frame. And then I did that for the 3rd frame as well. To make it a little bit more secure, what I did was I added some popsicle sticks on the back with hot glue. This is just going to give you a little bit more stability. The other great thing about these is you can add your command strips to the popsicle sticks and then attach it directly to the wall, and it'll hold it in place. I think this would be so adorable with your kids' pictures on it or different art projects. If you guys are liking these 5-minute Dollar Tree DIYs, make sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. So the next project that we're going to do are candle holders. So I picked up these rose gold candle holders from Dollar Tree. I just thought they were so cute. And then I also got these clear candle holders. They have these all the time at Dollar Tree. They actually are in 2 different sizes. So I got a smaller one and a larger one. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray paint the clear candle holders white. And I just did that with some Rust-Oleum white paint. Next, I wanted to attach the rose gold candle holders to the white ones. So I did that by adding some E6000 to the base of my candle holder and then just placing it in the center. You want to allow this several hours to dry. For a candle, I'm using these candles from Dollar Tree that actually come in a 4-pack. And here's a look at how the candle holders turned out. Okay, you guys, you're gonna have to let me know in the comments below which one of these 3 projects was your favorite. And if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. You don't wanna miss out on any of my DIYs. And if you missed our last Dollar Tree DIY, I'm gonna link it right here so you can click on that and watch our last video. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.